Hey ladies, this is Coach TK with Kicking Asphalt with Soul, and I wanted to give you all a motivational talk. As you can see, I am in the gym working on some upper body strength. I have been doing this for a couple of months now because I want to develop my arm strength. And one of the things that I notice is that sometimes we have to go through changes with our bodies. We have to level up. And so what you will see here is I put the one weight down and I did, that was an 8 pound weight because somebody else had the other weight. And I was able to actually get the 12 pound weights that you see in front of me. Someone had asked me, what is that thing around your waist? That is my workout pouch that I put my phone in, my music, my keys, and my water bottle on the side that you can kind of see on the side. You can open it up and it actually expands to where I can have 2 water bottles. I had this pouch during my running days. And I still run, but when I was going heavy at the very beginning of my journey, I used that water pouch to keep everything with me because I don't like to hold things in my hand when I run, just as a little side note. But going back to my workout, sometimes, ladies, well, I say all the time, we must be patient with ourselves. Sometimes I want to give up and say, deuces, but I don't. I keep going because, there's going to be a day where I'm going to look back at this video and I'm going to see so much progress that I made. We can't give up. We cannot listen to the thoughts in our head. My son told me last week, Mama, like he was training me. We were outside in the heat of the day and he said, Mom, you cannot listen to the thoughts in your head because I was tired. I was wanting to stop and he would not let me. He said, instead, listen to your goals. Know your why. You got to keep going. You can't give up. He just said that over and over and over to me. Now, in this part of the video, I forgot to bring to wear my sports bra. So yes, I'm just doing it up everywhere. So, but you know what? I didn't care because I have goals to meet, okay? And I did a podcast a couple of months ago talking about, are you heavy up top and are you embarrassed to be, heavy chested? And let me tell you, ladies, you can still run. In this particular case, I did not have the right bra on because I thought I was just going to go to the gym and do, my regular routine of strength training. But I wanted to jump. I wanted to do some cardio. So, yeah, I forgot to put on my sports bra. But anyway, I'm just saying all this to say, don't be ashamed of your body. We all have different body types. We have to do us based on what we know that we're trying to get to, okay? There are a lot of healthy, thick women, and then there are a lot of unhealthy, smaller women. I don't want you all to get it twisted. I don't want you to think that, hey, I got to be a certain size to start my journey. I had this one lady tell me, she's a personal trainer at my local gym. She had the audacity to tell me I shouldn't start running. Instead, I should just walk because of all that weight that it'll do to my knees. So I just kind of looked at her and just thought in my head, lady, I've been a certified running coach for a long time. And I'm also a professor of biology and chemistry. So I know the dynamics and the mechanics of the body. Although what she was saying could be true for some people, I know what I have to do for my body type, for my body frame. So yes, I look good today. I have to give myself these motivational talks because you have a lot of people who will throw shade your way because they think that they know more than you do about your own body. I try not to give unsolicited advice to people because everybody doesn't want to hear it. But what I can tell you, ladies, is do you for you, okay? Do you for you. And just motivate your own self. You got to clap for your damn self. You can't expect anybody else to clap for you. Sometimes you don't have to announce, I'm going to the gym, I'm going to walk, I'm going to go run, I'm drinking my water. And then sometimes you do need to announce those things because you need to remind people that you are on this healthy kick. The reason why I said sometimes you don't want to tell people is because those same people will start throwing shade your way. They'll start talking, negative towards you. And so just be mindful of who you share your dreams with, who you tell your dreams to. Just be mindful of that. Everything ain't for everybody, okay? So I just wanted to give you all some motivation to think about what you want to do when it comes to your own personal journey. Sometimes we have to push ourselves to do more than what we want, okay? We have to do things that we don't want to do so we can get to the places we want to go. And let me say that again. We have to do the things that we don't want to do in order to get to the places that we want to go. I remember Denzel Washington said years ago, do what you got to do now so you can enjoy your time later. So I'm paraphrasing his statement, but the thing you guys got to remember is there are a lot of sacrifices we've got to make. For so long, we've been eating the wrong things. We've been, spoiling our bodies with these bad products. But we have to be mindful that if we want to get ahead in our life, we have to change and alter some of the things that we do. Okay, so this is just my motivational speech to you. I don't really want to call it a speech, but this is just my motivational words of encouragement to you that you have to do things outside of your comfort zone. Okay, when I started my journey of running, it was tough. I did not want to do it. But the sooner I got that stinking thinking out of my head, the quicker I got on the program and started running nonstop. My journey went from being able to walk to run 3 miles, 10Ks, 5Ks, 8Ks, half marathons, and my marathon. So I am now preparing during the summer, the hottest part of the year, to cut my body and just start stripping away all those negative energies that I've been partaking. And I'm just going to put it out there on Front Street. Hey, it's time to get up, get out, and get something positive for yourself. I can give advice, but I got to be a receiver of my own words. So this message is not only just for you as much as it is for me. And ladies, we also have to be mindful of what we're putting in our mouths. Okay? We eat the wrong thing and we wonder why things aren't going the way that they should be. We got to drink our water. Yes. Water is good for you. And if you're having a hard time drinking your water, ladies, I'm going to challenge you. I have a challenge, a water challenge that I want you to partake in with me during the month of June. I have a journal that you can actually purchase for less than a cup of coffee at Starbucks. Okay? It is a 30-day water journal that you would love to keep, and I have some recipes in there that you'll want to use. I give you some tips on how to look at your urine to make sure that your urine is straight, because I'm going to tell you, a lot of women are urinating dark. Some women are getting kidney stones. And let me tell you, I've never had kidney stones before, but from my understanding, those things are nothing to play with. You want to make sure that you aren't passing rocks through your body, because that is a very painful thing from what I've been told from other people. You got to eat foods that will cleanse your kidneys and your liver. That's another video for another day. But you got to love yourself, ladies. Love yourself. Give yourselves a hug. Yeah, give yourselves a hug. I want you all to have strength and courage to do the right thing by your body. Okay? Do the right thing by your body. Yeah, I get joked on all the time about my breasts, but I don't give a damn, because you know what? There are many women who are paying for these same sides. Okay? So at the end of the day, ignore the naysayers and do you. Love y'all. Peace.